This is about $500, and this was just withdrawn this morning from the trade that we took yesterday called the yellow trade. Now, some of you, what you do is you rather be on Facebook and be scrolling. And if we go to TikTok too, the same thing. You are scrolling on TikTok. Maybe we go to Instagram. You are scrolling again. At the end of the day, no one is going to give you money. So in today's video, I'm just going to give you a simple strategy that you can use to also earn this amount, maybe in a week, maybe in a day, or in a month. Like I said, there are over millions of ways you can start earning from your smartphone without having to work for a particular company. So if you are in Dubai right now, you are in Canada, Australia, USA, maybe you are working for Amazon, you are working for a delivery company, you need a simple passive income strategy that you can use your smartphone to do. That's what we are going to start. I know some people are not just serious. You will give them this strategy, they will find 100 reasons why it's not going to work. So the first step that you need to do is you need to have a smartphone. I'll be giving you some apps that you are going to start to use so that it can guide you through the process. Now, the first app that we need to do is just go to your Apple Store. Then you make sure you install this app called Binance, right? Install this app called Binance. Now, when you install it, make sure you use your ID to verify. If you are doing your verification, do not use your Dubai ID card. You can use your Ghana card, your Uganda ID, your Nigerian ID to verify. The reason why I'm telling you this is because if you are coming from Africa, you have advantages over people in the Middle East and the European countries on this crypto asset. So you need to get a Binance account, and the next app that you need to get is called CoinMarketCap, right? You need this particular app called CoinMarketCap. Binance have just started their 31st project called the Proof Success Network. So Proof usually help decentralized applications to get their white papers from a non-decentralized exchanges, meaning when a developer creates a project, when a developer creates an app, let's say Phantom Wallet or Jupiter, they need something we call white paper. So Proof usually helps solve this issue, and Binance have been able to list it on their platform, and they are giving opportunity for people to earn free crypto, free airdrop. So in this video, what we are going to do is, first of all, you need to go to your CoinMarketCap. Then you enter this particular thing called Proof. Just type in Proof. Now when you type in Proof, the real name of the coin is called Succinct. You click on Proof. Right now it has a total market cap of 288 million. Now we can scroll down to the website. Usually when I'm doing investment or I'm trying to do crypto, I usually go and learn more about the system that I'm putting my money in. You cannot just get up and go to the market without having something to buy. Even sometimes you go further to even research about the price of the thing you are going to buy. That's the same thing with investment and crypto things. Anytime someone tell you should invest in a token, always do your research about it. Now we have the website. We can read through and see the companies that are backed by this. Then if we even go back to CoinMarketCap, we can even get their socials. It's very important when it comes to the crypto market. Anytime we are trying to do something online, you have to make sure that the thing that you are trying to unite with, they have a social media presence. You can see right now the social media presence is 145. This is just telling us that they have a lot of people who are following them on Twitter, and maybe they are solving something, online. Now, if I go back to CoinMarketCap again, we have the contract address. So now the contract address is usually used to buy the token itself. When we come to crypto, if you check on MetaMask or Trust Wallet, you can easily see what the contract address is all about. If I scroll down to the market section, I can see that this coin is currently listed on Binance, Coinbase, BitGet, Mexi, OKX, and KuCoin, even Crypto.io. Now we scroll down to the About section. Some people usually ask me, about how do you know a lot about these cryptocurrencies? It's because anytime a new project is listed, I just go and do my research and position myself to make profit from this. Now you'll be asking yourself, how will I even earn passive income from this particular airdrop? What we want to do is, like I said, it's listed on Binance, Bybit, and OKX. And we all know that Binance is an exchange, meaning they provide services that can help us earn passive income. So I'll go back to my Binance, go to the features section, go to the USDT and features. Now I'm going to give you this story. Let's say you have a friend and your friend is starting a company. When your friend starts a company, he's going to give you something we call information about the company. Now you are in the business to make money. Anytime the company is listed on maybe Bank of Ghana or Nasdaq, absolutely the company is going to make money. So the initial investors are going to make profit and withdraw their profit. And when they withdraw their profit, the price will depreciate. So what you need to do is, when a token is listed on the exchange, some people usually make the mistake and go and invest in it. No, you wait around 1 to 2 weeks, then you now go and buy it. So today, next time there is a coin listing on Binance, it's either you buy it before the listing, or when the coin is listed on the exchange, you give it 2-3 weeks before you now buy it. Now when you are buying it, you can either buy it with leverage or you can buy it with the contract address. For the contract address, you can use Trust Wallet or MetaMask. For now, we are going to use leverage and buy it. Then after that, we'll even do simple earn. So what I will do is I'll just search for the coin. So we know that the coin name is called Proof. Okay, we click on Proof here. Now we can see that the current price of Proof is 1.48. This is one of the successful projects that have been launched this month. When this coin was launched, it went to a price of almost $2 and now it's around $1.4, which is good for a normal project to be launched on Binance. Now we are thinking about buying this coin because it has been released for 5th August. That's about 3 days ago, or even 1 week ago. Now what we want to do is, like I said, when the thing is listed, it usually depreciates in value. Then within the next 1 week or 2 weeks, it start appreciating again. Meaning we are going to be buying this coin with leverage. Then after that, we can try to get the simple earn so that we'll be able to receive the airdrop. So what I'll do is, now that I've selected the coin, you select market order. Anytime that I'm buying a coin with long position, I'll make sure that I go with 25x leverage. So when I confirm this, I'll go back to my trading view, go to product section, you will come to super chart. Okay, now when you are on super chart, you just need to enter the coin that you are going to trade. Most people are usually asking me, Askanda, how is it that your community or your students are able to earn money from the market? Because I teach them how to do it themselves. You don't have to be following signals blindly. I take you through a step-by-step process on how you can use your smartphone and just start trading. So you don't need to go and maybe get signals from Kojo Forex or get signals from Happy Forex. You can learn how to do it yourself. Now what we want to do is, we are going to enter the name of the coin inside. So the coin name is called Proof. Then I'll add .fee for perpetual. You can see that we have perpetual swap crypto Binance. That's the one you are going to select. Now once you select the coin, change the time frame to 4-hour time frame. Right click on trading view, click on reset chart. Now we are getting our support and resistance. You might be asking yourself, what is support and resistance? In the community, I have a PDF group that I usually share to my students so that you can get it out. Now I'm just going to click on the trend line tools. We have horizontal line. This is our resistance. Click here. This is our support. Now I always tell you guys that anything that is happening on TradingView or anything that you are doing on TradingView is your personal opinion. You don't have any effect on the market. Your responsibility is to know when to stop trading. Right now, I'm in Dubai trading. Maybe someone is in Nigeria, someone is in Australia, Canada, USA, and all these people are trying to make money. I don't know the amount they have in their account. So you click on the forecasting and measurement tool. Now, when you click on the forecasting and measurement tools, you select long position. Okay, just select long position. Okay, now when you select long position, I'll come and put it inside here. Now you always have to give it breathing room. Remember what I said, we are not the only one trading. So the next thing that I'll do is I'll drag this to the top to target 1:3 ratio. Perfect. I'll double click so that I can get my take profit and stop loss. So I'll enter the capital that I currently have on Binance. When you are buying, we go with 5% of our margin. This is our profit level. So these figures, I'm going to copy it inside my trading account. So I'll copy the profit level is the same as the take profit on Binance. So all I need to do is to just drag this to 5%. Okay, so 5% is taking $14 from our account. I'll input my take profit, which is giving me $240, should in case the trade goes well. Then we copy our profit, our loss values here. Okay, come and put it inside. Now we have a loss of $75. So meaning we are risking $75 to get 250 or something. Now I'll click on long position. I'll just confirm. Now scroll down, you can see that the trade will appear at the market section. How to convert our money to proof so that we can get the airdrop, and also if the coin appreciate in value, we make profit. I'll just click on the trade section. Then I'll do what? I'll convert my USDT to proof. So just type in proof. Then I can enter maybe $50. So now I've just converted $74 into proof. So I can go back to my trading account again, my Binance Home. Once I am on my Binance Home, the next thing that I'll do is I'll click on the three buttons at the top left hand side. Then we search for simple end. So just scroll down to simple end. If you don't get simple end, click on the more section. Okay, when you click on the more section and you keep scrolling down, just keep scrolling down. Okay, now we have end here. So you click on end section. Now when you click on end section, you can see that we have proof. So just click on proof. They will ask you to subscribe. We just have to enter 20 proof to subscribe to it. So if I click on subscribe here, now you can see that I've successfully subscribed about 20 proof. So I can give it time. Usually I give it, like I said, 1 to 4 weeks. For the leverage trade, within 4 hours we'll know whether we made the right decision. And this trade can give us 200 and just give it time to load. It can give us $250, $270. So this is how you make money from your smartphone or your PC. If you have any issues, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Like I said, we have a community where we day trade crypto together and earn passive income.